Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Today we'll be making a tour of the farm.
The claimed territory of the chickens.
That right there, the gray hen right there, is our main chicken lair. Let's go. Woo! And here are the peacocks. These are the two females and the well-respected male. Hey, Cherry. Cherry. Hey, Daisy. Look, Daisy, you're on camera. You're on camera, Daisy. Aww.
Disco.
And with Disco, we have our goats and the cows. Look. Oh, yeah.
And here we have the nice goats.
Yeah, see?
Nice cows.
Disco. Many of the other ones are off grazing. Look. Bye, sheep. He's going to do an awesome jump. 3, 2, 1, go! And now Josh is going to lead us through the plants. And don't worry if you don't recognize some of them. But if you look here, these are little baby loquats. Yes.
Sprinklers. Look at that. Sprinklers are stuck in bamboo.
Now guys, let's look at a plant that you guys most probably do know. Pomegranate.
Yay.
Yeah, pomegranate. It's very tasty.
What are these?
These are called lychee. And now guys, I'm going to be leading the tour from now on. We come through here and then we see. Let's see, where is it? Oh. I'm thinking. Okay. Now right here is moringa. Yes, it's very good for your health.
More alien fruit.
No, that's a different alien fruit. It's a different type. Woohoo! And now, what are we looking at here, Josh?
Yeah, the peach tree.
Oh, wow. This right here is snow peach. This is very tasty. It's very sweet.
And also here we have tomatoes.
Here, this right here is normal peaches, like the peaches you get from the store, but much sweeter. And now, what do we have here?
Tomatoes.
Burbank plums. Oh, we can't forget the blackberry bush.
Yay.
It's very tasty. And right here we have, oh wow, beautiful red berry. Peanut butter fruit. Wow. Looks tasty. And guess what, guys? Tastes just like peanut butter.
Have a great time.
Bye.
Like, share, and subscribe.